Lexenic just gifted me their 24-ounce cocktail shaker, and I gotta tell you, this is the nicest cocktail shaker I have ever used, ever held. It is so fantastic. And what makes it so nice is, to start off with, it is double wall insulated, which is really, really wonderful if you're trying to make that cold drink and you don't want the ice diluting it, as the ice can stay cold inside this during the shake. And if you need to set it aside for a little bit and then shake later, it's not going to melt in this. It's going to stay cold for a much longer period of time. On top of that, you may have seen that I actually had to twist it closed. It fully twists at the main portion and then at the top at the pour. So you can fill this and it is leak proof. You do not need to hold it. You could fill it and set it on its side, throw it in a bag, whatever you want, and it's going to keep everything in it. And one of the things that makes it so leak proof is that both of these elements have silicone seals. You can see that right there, really nice and sealed. So here is just water and ice. I can fill it right up, twist it on. I can shake, I can leave it upside down. I can do whatever I want with this, and it's going to keep everything in there really nice and cool. My hand does not get cold while holding on to it. That is another really nice feature. And then when I'm ready to pour, I can just take off the top and pour through the stainless steel filter so it keeps out the ice. It pours cleanly. It feels really good in my hand. It is 304 food-friendly stainless steel, and it is built to last a lifetime. If you've been looking for a fantastic cocktail shaker, I cannot recommend this enough. I am switching to this one immediately.